Hey everyone, welcome back to PROVIDOR. Today, we're diving into a topic that's reshaping industries and our personal lives, cloud computing. Have you ever wondered what the cloud actually is or why businesses everywhere are making the switch? By the end of this video, you'll understand what cloud services are, the main types, and the real benefits they bring in 2024. Cloud computing is not just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary technology driving our digital world forward. Think of it as the powerhouse behind almost every app or platform you use. But why should you care? Well, cloud services are transforming how businesses work, enabling everything from remote work to flexible data storage. So let's break down what cloud computing actually means and why it matters. First up, what are cloud services? In the simplest terms, they're services delivered over the internet. Instead of owning your own hardware, you get to borrow the power of data centers from big players like AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. And there are three main types you need to know. Let's talk about some popular categories within cloud services. There's cloud storage with tools like Dropbox for saving files online, computing power with AWS EC2 for processing big data, and SaaS applications like Zoom for remote meetings. These are all part of the ecosystem that keeps our digital world running. Why are businesses making the leap to cloud computing? Well, cloud services offer a lot of benefits. First, they're scalable, meaning you can adjust your usage as needed. They're also cost-effective, saving companies from buying expensive hardware. And then there's security. These providers offer advanced protection that's tough to match on your own. Finally, accessibility is key. You can access your files or run your programs from any device with an internet connection. So, what does this mean for businesses? Cloud services are incredibly practical for supporting remote work and team collaboration. They give companies the flexibility to adjust as their needs change and provide reliable data backup for peace of mind. Now, is cloud computing the right choice for you? It's great for most, but remember to think about data security. Major providers have options to customize your data protection and privacy, so you're in control. So there you have it. Cloud computing is revolutionizing our world. If you're interested in learning more, head to our blog post linked below where we go deeper into each topic, from specific platform reviews to hands-on guides.